still gonna want to finesse some, right? A lot of moss this year down on the bottom. I don't do it often because I don't like killing fish for nothing, but I might keep one today. So we're gonna do the BV. BB was really good for me yesterday, and that's what I had it on. When they're gonna come see it now, doesn't matter if I fish it on bottom or up or whatever. The BV, they touch it, they're done. Here's the BV. This is metallic MG, the color. Very small treble hooks, so you gotta have the right rod. Some goby sauce. Mostly gonna go after whitefish and burbot with this one. But there you have it. This is the goby sauce right here. So with the BV, I can still attract them. I can still finesse them. I can still fish on bottom and through the water column if they want to eat up or down, you know. So that's really good. The only problem with it is having the right rod. And what's going to help me is I'm straight fluorocarbon here, 7 pounds, so 7 pound test. So there's stretch down there on this line. That's going to allow me that if I hook one, I'd have to go even lighter in this. Here we go. I don't want to rip the hooks out. Here's a fish. I only have 7 pound test here, so I gotta be super careful. Little guy. Little burbs. Well, I wasn't recording that. That's frustrating, but here it is. How much do you guys think this weighs? Comment in the section down below right now. How much do you think this weighs? And see if you were right. I got a scale here. It's too cold for the scale. Here it is. 507. On the BB again. Oh, whitefish. I have to be careful here because the hooks are very small. He's gonna try to run. Run all you want, my dude. You gotta have the right rod and the right reel to do this. With the BV, like we're not talking like 10 pound test, 10 pound fluoro, 10 pound braid here. We're talking like 7 pound all fluorocarbon, very small hooks. This is the Daiwa Fuego 1000 series, super good drag on it. Here he is, very tiny hooks. Oh, see? I'm saying. You got to be very quick with those hooks. You know, if I'm fishing, and this is my other rod that was down there, you know, this is a stiffer rod, as you guys can see. It's got a lot of backbone. I wouldn't be fishing the BV with this. And I'm braided here. Now that we're in 25 feet of water, this is all fluorocarbon. 7 pound test fluorocarbon. So believe it or not, they say fluorocarbon has no stretch. It does have stretch. And it helps you. Okay, I got some fish down here. Yeah. Got you now, boy. Oh, it's a good whitey. Oh, it's a good whitey. He choked it too. I'm gonna loosen my drag here. A light bite. Like, he came back for that. He couldn't deny. Like, the BV's doing a lot of work for me this weekend. We're on to Sunday. I'm Just taking a light approach. This looks like a decent whitefish. He's at the hole, so loosen your drag when you get to the hole. This is where I was mentioning about having the right rod and reel. You know, this is an average size whitefish, which they're pretty big here on Lake Simcoe. But that bait, once they have it, so now this is where it's going to come off with the beefy. You have to be careful. Go grab behind the fins. Definitely a fun size to catch. That was the first one that came in. That came back. He's like, guys, are you kidding me? Smell like cucumber all day. So he goes back. Whew. Puke that up. Go back down, bud. He's in the hole's trying to come out. You know, you're supposed to kill him. But what am I going to do? There's millions down there. Put it back down. You swim back down. We're good to go. Got him on the BB here. Just showed up after I put the drone. Gotta pay attention here not to lose them and loosen my drag. Really trust the reel and rod here. Those hooks are super tiny. I'm taking my time here. If I had a single hook, I'd be fine, but they really don't hesitate eating. He's chunky, man. Yeah. We're gonna get a weight on that guy. What do you guys think? Comment down below and see how he's eating the BV. I mean, he wasn't coming off, but I don't want to break the hooks. The hooks are fragile. Well, so she's at 0. Not too far in my calculations. 6.2 ounces. Just above your average size fish. Go back down, you little cucumber. Oh, I had him. I was just getting ready to move. He just tapped it. We got him. His head in the hole here. I'd be light with these treble hook. There we go. Oh no, he's stuck on the bag. Hey bud. Hey. I don't want to wreck you. Don't wreck my bag either. There we go. Go. Anyhow. Well, another one on the BV. Caught a lot of fish today on the BV. Well, I caught them all on the BV. We're gonna call it a day. It's 2 o'clock. Had a lot of fun today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Everything I use, the fluorocarbon, the reel, the bait is at the Canadian Tackle Store. Go check it out. Let me know what you think. If there's anything else we should bring in. We will see you guys on the water another time.